Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe, well, sort of like a add-on to what I got here. So I got this beef chili here. This was on sale at the M&M shop, and it was under their gluten-free, dairy-free options. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to remake it. I did a review on a taste test on this before. It was actually pretty good, but I'm going to remake everything. So I'm going to add greens to it, I'm going to add carrots to it, I'm going to add some rice to make it more heartier and healthier. And so I just took the chili there out of the box. As you can see, that's what it looks like. If you guys were wondering how much is actually in there, yeah, it's got 2 pounds in there. The greens here I got on sale. As you can see, it was $2 off, so I'm going to be putting all of this in there. So it'll be nice and wholesome with a lot of greens. Carrots are going to be in there. Add some rice to it. That'll thicken it up, and yeah, it'll be so pretty good. The carrots are in there. The rice is in there on the side. I'm going to add some water to it in 1 second, but I'm going to put some greens in there. And these greens, like I said, I got on sale. This was on sale, and I'm going to use it all up in there. So that'll make it a little bit more, almost like, oops, stewy. Now this is like almost like a nice stew now. So, all right, so the stew here is all done, or the chili. You can see it's got all the veggies in there now, and the rice is all cooked up, so it's a little bit thicker than what it was last time. I can do a quick taste test right now. That's pretty good. So you got the aroma of the vegetables that go in there now. So, and you already have the base of the chili, so actually makes it go pretty well. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Subscribe to the channel.